What's up guys, here's Claudio from Visualmodo WordPress themes, and in today's video you're gonna learn how to hide some section, some containers, some element from Elementor WordPress page builder plugin on responsive view of your site. So imagine this scenario. I have this section right here with two buttons, a call to action section, and I just want that this section appear on my desktop view, not on mobile, not on tablet. How to do this on Elementor? This is what I'm gonna learn to this video. But before I can continue, please take a moment to hit the subscribe button, like this video and share this content with a friend of yours. To get things started, first, go to the browser address bar, enter your domain name plus wp-admin, enter with login credentials. Now refresh your homepage and you're gonna be able to see this button, edit with Elementor, as long as you have Elementor plugin installed on your site. Click on it. Wait while Elementor page loads. Scroll down until you find the section that you would like to hide. In my case, it's this one. Hover your mouse over some part of the section. Click with the right button of your mouse and go to Edit section. And you're gonna be able to see the left side of menus, okay? Edit section, Layout, Style, and Advanced. We're gonna click on Advanced. Then scroll down and you're gonna be able to find Advanced, Motion Effects, Responsive Attributes, and Custom CSS. Go to Responsive, and right here we can reverse columns, tablet Patriot, reverse columns on mobile, hide on desktop, hide on tablet, and hide on mobile. If you go to the mobile view of the site, the section is now hidden. Same for the mobile view. Just like the tablet one, and the section gonna only appears into the desktop view of the site. After doing your change, all you have to do is hit the publish button to save your change. And that is. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Feel free to use the comment section below in the case that you have any question, and I'll see you guys tomorrow. All the best!